This is task number 2, in which you will learn the procedure for removing and replacing a taper lock hub unit, normally associated with FENNA-FLEX couplings. When a motor or a driven unit is replaced, obviously we need to replace the half coupling onto the new shaft. It is recommended that before removing a taper lock unit, you first measure any shaft protrusion and note this figure down. Next, loosen the hub locking grub screws. Remove one completely. Lightly oil or grease the removed screw, and then thread it into the jacking off hole, which on this unit is situated nearest the keyway. Tighten up the jacking screw until the hub assembly is loose on the shaft, then remove as a unit. Inspect all components to ensure that they're in good condition and ready for installing onto the new shaft. Clean up any burrs or roughness on the replacement motor shaft. Fit the key into its keyway. Note that a taper lock is fitted dry. Next, slip the taper lock as a unit onto the shaft, aligning the keyway to the key. Slide on the hub and bush unit until the shaft protrusion matches that measured earlier. Secure the grub screws evenly and alternately to ensure an even pull-up. With a soft hammer or drift, tap the bush around its circumference and then retighten the grub screws to ensure a firm seating of the taper. To prevent dirt entering the jacking screw holes, place a little grease in them. Now let's get in a little practice.